Hello my super babies, today is a new day. Today is Wednesday. So now I'm getting out of the house. We're going to do some grocery shopping. I need to get some dry fruits and all that jazz for the plum cake, the rum plum cake, Christmas cake. Then I need to make coconut chocolates, so I need to get ingredients for that also. So yeah. So I'll go ahead and I'll take you along. So my day started quite productive. I got up, I studied a little bit, I drank 1 liter of warm water, then I had my oats for breakfast. So yeah, the day was productive. So yes, the day started on a good note. So I put on a new mask today. It's so tight and it's like really doubleifying my nose quite a bit. My nose has become red also. Let's see if I get all the ingredients for the cake and for the chocolates. Today evening also have to walk for at least like 6 kilometers. Let's see. Just got back home, guys. I couldn't record outside because it was so hot and I had a lot of saman with me. I'll just show you what all I got. So this is all what I wanted. What mom picked up that I'm not showing. So this for my brother, almond milk for me, coconut cream, coconut milk, and desiccated coconut is for the chocolate. Sugarcane juice for my dad. This is for my brother because he wants nachos for dinner. Then I picked up this gluten-free bread. I really like it. Then hummus, peri peri. This also I really like. Sweet potatoes from Fab Box. Then these salad boxes which comes from Nature's Basket is nice. It fills me up. So I just store on this. Why is this 119? Why is this 99? So now I'm going to eat this. This is really tasty, guys. So I need to keep this in the fridge. Need to keep this in the fridge and have this later on. As of now, I'll have this. So guys, for lunch I'll have this first, and then whatever was remaining from the breakfast, I'm going to have that. The oats and almond milk smoothie. Okay. Really yummy. Check this out. I didn't get all what I wanted to get for Christmas, the ingredients for the cake and everything, because I have to still just do a little more research and get out my oldest recipe ever. And mom wants me to make mutton biryani today, so I need to check up the ingredients for that too, and let's see. So guys, I was searching for my recipe book wherein I had written all the recipes which my bestie had given it to me, which was from his mom. So today's dum biryani is in memory of my best friend's mom. So today is her death anniversary. Today I'm going to cook mutton dum biryani, which is her signature recipe. I made this recipe like a lot of times, even for my cousin sister's cake cutting ceremony. I made around 5 kilos that time. So I'm going to make this again today in memory of her. After a really long time I'm going to be making it. So I hope it just turns good like always. And if it turns out good again, then I'll record it the next time and share it with you, because this is amazing. This recipe is so good. Like, it's really good. Like, I've fed many people this recipe and all of them have loved it many times. So yeah, in memory of my best friend's mom, this is going to be her recipe. So babies, I tried out the Kiko lipstick and eyeshadow. I really love the eyeshadow. It literally screams Christmas, especially Christmas tree. And for the lips, it's a 03. Okay, there's no name, I think. Yes, it's from the holiday collection which I showed you yesterday. It's pretty light for me. If I go like heavy on the eyes or something, this looks nice, but not my type of a color. My mom does like it on me, but I don't like it so much. I just oiled my scalp, guys. massaged my scalp. I need to wash my hair today or tomorrow. Not too sure. So yeah. So now I'm going to edit the vlog because the mutton will take about 3 hours to defrost. So instead of wasting time and waiting for the mutton to defrost, I shall edit my vlog and keep it ready because my brother wants nachos with Mexican beans and cheese for dinner. My dad and mom is going to eat mutton biryani. So I have to do all that. So, and I need to go for a walk also today, no matter what. So all that. Okay, pehle I better edit and publish this. I mean the previous wala vlog. I even want to introduce you guys to an amazing product which literally lightens pigmentation. You will see like a slight difference in the pigmentation within 5 days. I want to introduce that product to you on Priyanka George, but I don't know when I'm going to do it. I think tomorrow I should do it. Yeah, I need to write it down first and then talk about it. Tomorrow pakka. Hey babies, I just washed my hair and styled it. My hair is back to curly. So babies, I'm super duper hungry. I was talking to my bestie like after a long time. So I'll make some gluten-free sandwich fatafat and I have to start with the mutton biryani because I have to go for a walk also. But I've decided however late it gets, I'm going for a walk. So now I'll just make a quick sandwich and get back. So guys, I made this amazing salad sandwich which has the gluten-free bread, then salad leaves and the hummus which I bought initially. This is my dinner. So babies, now I'm going to start with the chopping. I'm going to chop up 5 onions, 5 tomatoes and 6 potatoes and I'll get back. So guys, my bestie's mom was an amazing soul. She was an amazing chef. She loved cooking. She dil se used to cook, guys, like full dil se. Some people grip while they cook, like they don't like cooking but they still have to cook. She used to love cooking, like proper wali. She used to love cooking and she used to cook dil se. Because cooking is something which I love. And making this biryani after years I guess. She loved cooking and guys, I've eaten her food. Oh my god, what food. Amazing food. Zabardast food. Like a lot of food of hers I've eaten and she cooks amazing food. I have a lot of recipes of hers though. I will be sharing with you babies whenever possible. There's khichda, there's akhni, dal gosh, and I made all this. I just chopped up the onions. Now it's time for tomatoes. So where are the tomatoes, lady? So here my camera is on.
You want green chilies?
Yeah. I mean ginger garlic paste, please. So I'll just wash these and get back. Oh, it's so cold. Guys, in her recipes, you know the magic is ginger garlic paste. The more ginger garlic paste, the food turns out more amazing. And the food tastes more amazing the next day. It's magic in the recipe. People love it. Mummy, people love my biryani, right? Why are you laughing? Tell!
Yeah, they love it, cuckoo.
My mom is too much. We made it for my cousin's
Oh yeah, correct.
cake cutting ceremony also. We made about like 5 kilos, I think, Mummy?
Yeah.
4 or 5 kilos. Huh?
There were many people.
Yeah, there were many people. So Shilpa, for your cake cutting ceremony, this is the recipe. I made like 2 kilos of mutton and 2 kilos of chicken. Or 3 kilos of mutton or 2 kilos of chicken. Yeah. It was just me and my mom, guys. Nobody else, no? Only we both were like there to make the biryani.
So sad, no?
Sad me. I don't like much interference also. So mom and me was fine. Will you stop making the sound? What are you doing? Can you show what are you doing? Come here, camera is here.
I'm making ghee. Ghee for your biryani. Homemade ghee.
Wow. Okay. So got done with slicing the tomatoes. Onions done, tomatoes done, now potatoes. Potatoes have to just cut it into half. Such big fat ones, Ami.
जैसे कि पूरा गलो है.
So if you babies are interested in more recipes like khichda, akhni, dal gosh, let me know guys. I have all those recipes and I
Why don't you stop talking for some time?
Here guys, my father's entry. I think you babies haven't seen my dad from a long time.
He's keeping cold water in the fridge.
Oh god, now my mom's taunts has started. Like my mom is so irritating and my dad is such a bichara dad, guys. You have any special comments? After a long time you come on the camera.
Make some lemon juice.
Nothing, I'm making biryani, don't irritate.
You want comments, na?
What comments?
You need to make lime juice.
No lime juice. Lime juice ho gaya. Now biryani and I have to go for a walk also. So fatafat I have to make nachos with cheese for Goldie also.
Oh.
So do not irritate me while I'm cooking. You will not get any juice right now. You just don't irritate me, bus. So I even need like 400 grams of curd, some biryani masala, haldi, mirchi powder, everything. Mummy, wherever I'm asking mom because she only knows, and I don't have any idea. This is dhania powder.
Yeah.
And bay leaves, all these spices, please. Come on.
Here. The curry powder.
So let's start. Rice for boiling till half cooked. Please, I'm going to fry the potatoes first. So let's begin. So guys, my mom wanted me to change my outfit. She's like, she didn't like that, and as I'm recording, she wanted me to dress up. So I put some lipstick and blush, but I have to put specs. I'm going to just fry this now. Put the camera more far, I guess. There will be disturbance, guys, because of the exhaust and all that. Okay. Apron.
Whenever you put the frying pan, I think little water was there. You kept the frying pan immediately put the oil.
No, there was no water. I saw it was dry.
Now how it is doing up?
No idea. So the chef is making biryani. Chef Priyanka.
I also came. Don't show me because I have to do the all together.
Then अच्छा कपड़ा पहनो
No,
ना.
high flame में do it.
अच्छा कपड़ा पहनो ना
No.
फिर. मम्मी क्या कर रहा है?
क्या कर रहे हो?
वो ऐसे क्यों उड़ा फिर?
तुम मेरे से खाए अभी. Because otherwise ना hot and crispy करोगे.
I want little crispy. I make it crispy.
So the
easily.
outside should be crispy. So that's why you put it in high flame. Crispy fry and move on. So अंदर से नहीं.
यार stop पापा पाइक ना यार. Guys यार. Mommy, I'll put this.
Yeah.
Yeah, you make these funny faces. I am going to put the video. Keeping some tissue paper ready. I put the potatoes here. By the way, previously I was wanting to cook without bra. Without bra, the feeling is amazing. Now, जबरदस्ती का bra भी पहनना है, कपड़ा भी पहनना है. वीडियो के लिए क्या क्या करना है? I think it's the first time I'm cooking with bra.
क्या क्या सहना पड़ता है.
Really, when I went to my cousin sister's, I think I had to wear only. There were too many people. So guys, just got done with frying the potatoes. Now I'm going to start with cooking in the same oil. All the spices. So guys, I'm going to fry in some spices, few cloves, cardamom and cinnamon. Even tejpata, but I don't have tejpata. So I'm just frying it all now. Oh my god, this is so funny.
Yeah, Didi.
Cardboard. अभी कांदा, onions, guys. So guys, frying the onions. It's still pink in color. It's not yet brown. I need it golden brown. Then I'll add the ginger garlic paste in it. The onions has been nicely fried, golden brown. I'm going to be adding a heap full of ginger garlic paste, maybe about 3 tablespoons. We need a lot of ginger garlic paste. Then this is amazing. So now I'm going to be adding in a tablespoon of Shahi Biryani Masala from Everest. So now I'm going to be adding in some turmeric powder, some chili powder. This is a spicy one.
What?
This chili powder.
Yeah.
Little less of it. Dhania powder. A heap full of it. So guys, I didn't add salt because the ginger garlic paste already has salt in it, and I'll add in salt later on when mom tastes the curry and she decides. Now next I'm going to be adding in the chopped tomatoes and cooking it. So guys, now I'm going to transfer this in a big vessel because stirring is not so easy. So I'll
What is this, Guru?
biryani masala,
Tomato?
tomato. ये साफ है कलर?
नहीं, oh shit.
So I'll transfer this in that and stir it well, and then add the mutton. Appa, what are you doing? What are you doing?
I'm also cooking.
Appa, you splash the oil. I'm also cooking it. See.
Put the mutton.
Also on the gas now.
Why you want to take the risk of burning your
I
hands?
want to keep it in this. I want the cameras
You
there.
can
No?
put it wherever you want. You
So
can
now-
mix it here and
So
then
now
transfer.
put this in that. You put
Yeah,
it.
right.
So guys, I transferred everything in this. Now I'll give it a nice stir. I'll cook the mutton and I'll get back once the mutton has been cooked. So babies, I came back to the room as the mutton has to cook for another 10 minutes. So I had to charge my mobile too. And I can't tie my hair, guys, because it's still wet. So if I tie it, it's going to be a mess. I have no idea when I'm going to walk, but I need to get this biryani right. Otherwise, that's going to taunt. So babies, the only issue is I haven't edited yesterday's vlog yet. Genuinely, I did not have the time. So if I finish the biryani fatafat and the nachos cheese for my brother fatafat, then I can edit this fatafat and upload it, which is not going to be fatafat, but I'll try my best. Yeah, let's see. And walk, I think, yeah, tel lene. Then where I will be putting all the atta and damokaing it, we'll be putting clips and sealing it, which is not the right way, but that's what we're going to manage with it. So guys, the mutton is taking a lot of time to cook, so we're going to pressure cook it now. Guys, now I'm going to add in the potatoes and the curd.
Wow.
Wow. So I'll mix it nicely, guys. So guys, stir it nicely. So I put some salt even in the mutton curry and even a little bit in the rice. We soak this for 30 minutes. Milk and saffron. The saffron is from Iran. Wait, let me put this first. Just pouring it on top. Kothmeer, coriander. What is this?
Pudina, mint.
Mint. Dry fruits I'll put later on, guys.
Okay.
With fried onions.
Delete
don't-
me, yeah, please.
I want to delete you. Why did you make funny faces again?
I like to make funny faces.
You like to make funny faces. So guys, I'm going to slicing some onions, which mom has already done, and put it in. Ami, stop it, let me talk. And she already air fried it. And I'll be frying the dry
What
fruits
is the
now.
fire now? Slow for.
I'm going to fry in some dry fruits, that's kaju and kismis in pure ghee, which my mom just made right now. Do first. So guys, kept this for dum if I didn't show this in the previous clip. I added in the kismis too.
But if you add Christmas, it will often fast. Otherwise, Christmas will get. Why are you putting it in that?
So guys, I'm going to make the cheese sauce now for my brother Fatafat. Bit of butter. Melting it. Sorry guys for the background sound because it can't be avoided. So I'm putting in a little bit of corn flour. Some cheese spread. This is cheese spread, Amul, spicy garlic, and put it in this.
इसका काम हो गया कॉर्नफ्लोर.
Yeah. Bit of milk. Give it a nice stir. Meanwhile, I'll even add in a little bit of mozzarella, cheddar cheese. All this has to just melt now. Now I'll put some seasonings, cheesy garlic bread mix, and this is onion flakes. Looks amazing, guys.
Is it?
Yeah. Want to taste it? Just taste a little bit now, man. Yeah, where's this plate? And your hand, you know, what are you putting?
Beetroot.
Beetroot, you put the other hand.
Beetroot.
The beans is ready made, which my brother only got it. So if my mom made that, she put that in the oven and did that as per as the instructions in the can. So I'll show you a close up of the cheese now. See guys how it looks. Amazing. And it tastes also nice with nachos and beans. So babies, it's 9 PM and I just got done with my brother's cheese, and now the biryani is still on dum, and I got done with the editing. I just have to check it again and publish it so that at least a vlog goes up at whatever time it is, guys. I have to walk also, so I'm thinking of walking from like 9:30. Let's see. So guys, the biryani is ready. Mom just checked the rice, it's cooked. Putting in the dry fruits. Wow. Wow. Of it? It's cooked, no? Wow.
Yes, you're eating?
Wow, I want to take a photo.
Yummy.
What all taste you're getting?
Oh, I don't know.
Anything but biryani.
Yeah, you don't, your big dialogues don't want. Tasty?
It is, but not
Appa,
biryani.
yeah, you please keep quiet na yaar. So what happens usually is I switch off the biryani only when I get a slight burning smell. That is my secret actually. Like when I get like this slight burning smell, I switch it off. This time I didn't do that because I didn't have the time. I wanted to rush for the walk. So my bestie saw the whole video of me doing it, and bestie was like, this is not the way you usually make it. So I got it. Said that the rice gets all the masala, and when you put it like I see the masala usually. So I understood, like, you know, you understood like burning smell in the sense like when the gravy starts bubbling, it comes on the rice, so it mixes with the rice automatically, and when it becomes a little dry like the masala, that means it gets slightly burnt, and that's when it tastes amazing. But it tastes more amazing tomorrow. So I put it on high flame again, So it starts bubbling and it gets slightly burnt, and then I'll switch it off. So I put on a high flame, just waiting for this masala to dry a little bit and get burnt, and then it's my perfect biryani. So I had got this ice cream from Nature's Basket for my brother. Let's see how it is. Wow, looks nice. Sure, done. Wow. Eat and tell me how it is. I just tasted the ice cream, guys. It's amazing. It's so delicious. Especially if you like cookies and cream. This is amazing. My brother didn't like it. He's grumbling that I picked up this horrendous flavor for him. But I love it. I just tasted the biryani. The biryani has come out amazing. But it's not come out too spicy and pungent. Usually I put a lot of ginger garlic paste. But this time I was a little hesitant and I put less. And I didn't even put green chilies. If you can add in green chili paste also, it's going to be amazing. I was just a little hesitant because if it gets too spicy, it's going to be an issue. But yes, more ginger garlic paste and a little bit of green chili paste, it would have been better. I didn't go for my walk. What a flop show. And I'm waiting for Big Boss. I'm going to wait. I'm going to watch that, and then I have to study for like half an hour to 45 minutes, and then I will get ready to sleep. Today was a hectic day, but it's exciting. It's nice. So babies, I got done with my skincare. I got done with Big Boss. I'm finding Big Boss so irritating. Especially Kavita was so irritating, and good she got out. Everyone is so irritating actually. I don't know, I found it too bugging. Like today, like was too super like dragging. Like I don't know, I found it so irritating. Thank God it's getting over. I think it's the first time I'm not following Big Boss so religiously. So guys, I got done with my skincare. I applied, first I washed my face, like the same jazz, nothing new. If I use a new product, I'll let you know. It's the same thing which I've used, and I love this. I need to make a detailed video on this from Conscious Chemist. This is what I was talking about. It is so good for, excuse me, lightening pigmentation.
This water is nice.
Yeah. Oh yeah, you have to gargle and everything. So mummy, I need you in the scene.
Afterwards.
When afterwards?
Tomorrow.
Tomorrow nahi, we're after 12 o'clock. Chill, lie down, cover whatever you have to cover.
Let me put some cream on my face and look beautiful.
Okay, let's check out mom's skincare routine.
Yeah. Ding. Boom.
What are you doing? Show. I show. Let me show them what you're using. Jojoba in rose. Is it nice?
Yeah, smells good. Then take it like that. Put it on your face.
There's no light. She said only few drops, like one drop she said, remember?
Yeah, so 4 drops it.
Now next.
Next I go to sleep.
So how was your day, Buddhi?
Oh, it was very exciting.
Like, what was so exciting?
Like I cleansed some burtons and I washed some. No, today I didn't wash any clothes.
Then
I did some cooking. I helped you in making the biryani.
Then
I made a beetroot salad.
Then
And then here's your father.
what happened, Buddhi? Let the food be there only. It's hot, it'll take a lot of time for it to cool.
And then today I forgot to see the moon.
Why?
Your biryani, yeah?
You're not eating, na? Don't eat. Then?
So the biryani was really delicious. We all liked it very much.
Except my dad.
He the grumbles for everything. Don't mind.
Then?
So what else did we do today?
Talk loudly, na, lady.
What did we do today?
You know better.
We went to the market
Yeah.
and we bought some things.
Yeah, I already showed that to them.
And we didn't buy some things.
Yeah, I have to still buy a
You
lot.
didn't show them. What you didn't buy, you can't show.
Then?
And then what did we do? Then we came home and we were tired, so we slept.
Yeah.
And then nothing. Bye. Good night.
Tell them what they have to do.
You have to like, you have to subscribe. I think I forgot to tell you have to subscribe, no?
Yeah.
You have to like.
And hit on that ghanta also so that you get notified.
Ghanta and
Ghanta.
Ghanta.
And then?
Comment. Good night.
अरे यार, tell your signature words.
What is that? Mua mua.
हाँ.
Bye babies. God bless. Stay safe.
Mummy, enough. I love you. You're supposed to say.
Love you.
Mummy, this is too much.